Everybody, and welcome back to your final video on how to complete your three-wave streamlining process in your three-wave dance library. This is where we're going to copy over all the songs from all the playlists in my library and put them into the playlists in your library. And then you're going to be able to edit them, so you'll be able to delete songs that you don't want in there and add songs that you do want. You can rearrange them if you want, though I don't recommend doing that because duration, there's all set to duration already. But we'll make sure that they're set to duration when we set it up. And then you can really start customizing your own library with a really big head start. So let's get going. So just in case you've had a long break, open up Spotify to your library, click on your three-wave dance library, and then you can see I have page 45 of my book opened up. You're going to want that because all these links are what are going to help you get to the songs. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Use Next and click on that. And my computer opens up Spotify in the app and in my browser. That's interesting. Maybe that would have been a good idea to keep open. Let's do it again. Okay. So here it is. Spotify opened up to this, and then all these are here. Oh, I see. This is perfect. So we're just going to select all of these in My Next and drag it over into Use Next. And so now this would be your library. Now you have the whole template really for a three-wave dance playlist with the 8-second marker at the bottom in case you just drag stuff in and you don't have time to organize it later. So that's that. And then we go to the next step. So we're going to go click over here, go to My Next Playlist, and you'll see it's empty. So there's nothing to do there. Go back over to the book, click on Two-Wave Template. It opens up. You're just going to select everything in here and drag it into Two-Wave Template. And now if you click over here, you'll see in your library that you have everything there now. So now we're going to go over back to the book, click on Three-Wave Template, select everything, drag it into Three-Wave Template, double check it. Now you have a three-wave template in your library once you follow that step. And the four searches are going to be empty because those are for you to put songs in that you're trying to find other songs like. So you want those to be empty right now. So let's go over to the beginning with the intro. That's why there aren't any links here. Let's go to the Calm Down, and we'll select all the songs and drag them into Calm Down. And you can see they're all there. And let's go take a look at this for a minute. So see how this says custom order? We actually want to set this to duration. So you're going to set it to duration, and we want to set it so the longest song is on top. So just do it again, and that's set. And we should go back and look at the other ones too. Two-wave template is set to custom order. That's good. Two-wave is set to template. Use Next. Those we want all those on custom order because they're not really they're not library folders. So now we'll go to slow motion over here. Click on it. Select everything. Drag it into here, and then you should have all of those songs in yours. Go up here, set the menu to duration, and then do it again. And then we'll do one more together. Gentle lift. Look, it's already set the duration. all and drag in. And there we go. But now it's custom order. Right, makes sense. Duration twice. And now yours is set to duration. Mine was the one that was set to custom order or duration. And that's all you got to do. Just keep on doing that same process going through the rest of these right here. You can see it's moving pretty quickly. And then you'll have your library all set up. And you'll be able to take advantage of the three-wave streamlining process that you saw me using in the other videos where I put together a playlist in 16 minutes or 14 minutes. And adding songs will be really, really fast. So thanks for sticking with it. You made it this far, and now you're going to reap the benefits. Well done.